Can you effectively remove weeds from sidewalk and driveway cracks using only a pressure washer? A high-powered pressure washer can remove most surface weeds and dislodge loose soil from concrete cracks when used correctly. Use a nozzle that produces a concentrated spray pattern at a steep angle to direct force into the crack without chipping the concrete. Start with the washer wand held close to the surface but not touching it, and move along the crack in short, overlapping passes to wash out roots and debris. For persistent roots, pause and apply a low concentration of household detergent to loosen organic matter, then rinse thoroughly to avoid residue. Maintain steady wand control and keep the spray angle shallow enough to avoid driving water deeper under the slab, which can destabilize the base. After washing, allow the area to dry partially and then use a shop vacuum or a stiff hand brush to remove loosened material for a cleaner finish. Common issues are incomplete root removal, damage to concrete edges, and lingering debris that prevents resealing. If roots remain, you will see regrowth, so follow pressure washing with manual scraping of the deepest root sections and remove as much material as possible to reduce regrowth. To prevent chipping or spalling of aged concrete, use a wider spray pattern or step back to reduce force and test a small, inconspicuous area first. For leftover soil and seed, you can vacuum or sweep thoroughly before applying joint filler or polymeric sand to block future growth. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources specific to exterior maintenance projects like pressure washing and crack repair. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post before and after experiences.